Hello everyone! Ladies, gentlemen, and otaku alike, this is Recall Reviews. Atillio back here again, and today I'm going to share with you another one of my career matches. Now, for those who know me know I am not a big fan of multi-man matches. I don't like doing 3-ways, I don't like doing 4-ways, I don't like doing tag team matches. Battle royals are different. I like doing battle royals, breaking the new guys real quick that way. But this particular match I was really excited for. There were a couple cool things going for it. Number one, I was going to get to work in a match against Tamir Gibbs for the first time ever, who I've always wanted to work a singles match with. He's got so much energy and charisma, and he's just got that it factor. Everybody loves him. So, little did I know this would kind of start what would be like a trilogy of matches I would work with Tamir in a way. All of them 3-way dances, funny enough, but so it was me versus Tamir Gibbs versus beautiful Buddy Tomas for the Viral title. Buddy at the time was the Viral champion, and we were doing a big show in Middletown, New York. Now, about a month or so before this show and before this match, Terry Funk had passed away. And those who know me know that Terry Funk is one of my all-time favorite wrestlers. And the interaction that I had with him when I met him left such an impact on me. He was my inspiration for becoming a professional wrestler. He showed me that no matter what kind of physical limitations you have, you can still do what you love and you can achieve. So I got to pay tribute to Terry Funk. I wore tights that resembled his, a Buddy Sucks Eggs t-shirt, and I sampled his music before my own. And it was such an emotional, like mixed emotion kind of night for me. And I'm very proud of this match, because the three of us just really told a wonderful story, which isn't very easy in 3-way dances. Which I think was another layer to pay homage to Terry Funk, because one of his most famous matches was the 3-way dance. But this is Atillio Aprile versus Buddy Tomas versus Tamir Gibbs. Let's roll the tape.
Alright fans, on his way to the ring, timid Tamir Gibbs.
Why is he here?
Well, he's always a fan favorite here, and he is one of the top contenders for the ECW Viral Championship.
He's a contender for a championship? For a title?
He is.
Who we put in the match?
Oh, but your match.
I don't want to discuss it.
Well, here comes Tamir into the ring. He's very excited yet timid at the same time.
Fruity like a Fruit Loop. He's like Fruity. Now who's this guy coming out? Who is this? Who's coming? That schmuck? I can't stand him.
The man with the power of positivity.
And it says
Atillio Aprile.
And what does his shirt say? What does it say?
It says Buddy Sucks Eggs.
Buddy Sucks Eggs. What is he referring to?
I guess he's trying to reference Buddy Tomas. He's doing his...
I know he's talking about Buddy, but why is he saying Buddy Sucks Eggs?
Well, he's doing his tribute to Terry Funk this week with Terry Funk style pants, and Terry Funk used to always wear a Dusty Sucks Eggs t-shirt.
Do you think Terry Funk wants this schmuck paying homage to him? Terry Funk's rolling in his grave right now. Look at this moron. This fat couple on one. I hate him. I cannot stand him.
Got something to say here.
I don't want to hear it.
I'd like to tell you guys, thank you all for coming down today. The wrestling community suffered a tremendous loss in the last several weeks with the passing of Terry Funk. Certified wrestling legend and inspiration to me one of the reasons why I got this for me. I represent this tonight. I hope you be proud. It's because of you people that are out here. ECW, wrestling, all this exists, and it's because of you, will go on forever!
He's blown up just from talking! You ever seen a call with him? All he does is talk. No wonder he's so fat and blown up. He can't exercise. He got tired just doing that. Look at this guy. I'm happy he's here. He owes me money.
Fans, here he is, the ECW Viral Champion, beautiful Buddy Tomas.
Now that is a champion. He was tutelaged well by a certain but the glasses, I don't know about why I don't rock those glasses, but those are some interesting glasses. And the umbrella, look at the umbrella, it's stylish. It's a stylish umbrella, what do you think?
Oh, the umbrella is certainly different. We've noticed that the umbrella comes into use during these matches. I don't know how legal that is.
I'm sure he's doing things perfectly legal. It's a legal prop. And I like his music. Hot stuff. Makes me feel good. Hot stuff. What the hell is Atillio Aprile doing? Is he
I guess he is preparing. Well, this is a triple threat match for the championship, which means the rules are
that Atillio gets tired 5 seconds into this match. We already know.
Well, the fans are letting Buddy know what they think of him.
You think he gives a? You think he cares what those idiots think? Why are they cheering Buddy sucks eggs? Because that moron wore a Terry Funk shirt?
We're all ready to go. Well, the shirt's gone.
I wish it would go back on Atillio.
Oh, why is that?
Because no one wants to see that. That's his arms and stuff, it's traumatizing. Look how terrible he looks. I'm traumatized. And look, Tamir's just happy to be here.
Tamir's not going to be anywhere.
He is happy to be anywhere. He'd probably bring him to dinner. He'd be happy to eat McDonald's. What chicken?
Oh, wow! Right off the bat.
Look at the athleticism of Atillio Aprile. Now, Tamir, knock him out. Get him. Kick him in the groin.
No, they're too nice to each other.
That's the problem. You don't win championships. Buddy real well. And he's one of the meanest SOBs you'll ever meet. And cocky and arrogant.
Tamir's in a real joyful mood tonight. Oh, look at that little showmanship between himself and Atillio Aprile. Atillio's not going to catch him.
Oy vey.
It's a little too fast for him.
I think a Matchbox... Hang on. I think a Matchbox car would be too fast for Atillio Aprile.
Well, Tamir's all over right now. Oh, he's not going to pull that weight.
No, you're not going to pull that weight. What's that, like 350 pounds soaking wet? Which I'd rather not envision.
Tamir's going to give it his best shot. Gets reversed. But look. Oh, and Tamir takes one right in the mouth there. Oh, Buddy Tomas in with the quick save.
He don't want to lose his title. Why should he lose his belt?
He certainly doesn't.
I don't think Buddy Tomas should ever lose to this schmuck.
A hard exchange here between him and Atillio Aprile. Oh, look at Tamir, jumps right in.
He wants a piggyback ride? Well, Atillio does kind of look like a fat pig.
Oh, he tosses Tamir over. Oh,
right that knee.
That's that bad knee.
What knee? Every knee on him is bad. His knee, his back, his arms, his head, his mouth, his hair. Everything
I
hurts.
know what you said last time. He was all bad. His left knee, his right knee, his kidney, and his hiney.
Pretty much. You mean his tuchus?
If you translate it, yes.
Yeah, in Jewish.
Buddy Tomas taking advantage of that knee right away.
Well, that's very intelligent. Just like
you knew that was coming. Oh.
Break it.
Well, the fans aren't too happy.
Break his friggin' leg. I hope that puts him out of action for the rest of the year.
He said he's going to break him.
I hope he does break him.
We do have EMTs on standby.
They couldn't lift the Atillio. If they had to put him in a stretcher, they wouldn't be able to lift the stretcher. What, a dump truck?
Ooh. Be nice now.
I'm being very nice. I'm calling a spade a spade. And
you were missing for weeks on end. I didn't know whether you were suspended, on assignment.
I'm never suspended. I had an objective.
You missed
make money.
4 weeks of action.
I didn't miss 4 weeks of action. They missed me.
Oh, look at Tamir trying to
Oh my God. He's hugging him. Now hit him with a clothesline. Or kick him in the gut.
Right to the breadbasket there. Tamir tries a reversal right away.
You know, Tamir's a really hard guy to keep up with. He moves at like 90 miles an hour in 10 seconds. He's constantly running and him, jump in, and I can't keep track of this guy. And he's so nice. That's why he hasn't won a belt. He's too nice, Matt Lynch.
Well, it looks like Vince Conti and Uncle Rich had to escort Atillio Aprile to the back from that knee injury.
Oh, I hate all of them, especially that Uncle Rich guy. He's always meddling in my business. So is the Conti, that Conti guy. Can't
It
stand
appears
it.
we're down to 2 men, but the 3-man rules still apply.
There's a third man? I thought it was a hippo.
Well, it was a triple threat, but Atillio's been just taken to the back.
No, it was beautiful Buddy Thomas versus Tamir Gibbs versus a hippo.
Hippo.
The guy's
oh, there's the umbrella.
Good. Nothing illegal about that. Nothing at all.
A referee's not even doing anything about it.
Now that's a lot of ingenuity. He did a side Russian leg sweep with the umbrella, and he's wearing the umbrella. I'm impressed. I really am. He's really coming into his own. He better throw me some money for complimenting this much.
Well, the referee trying to see what's going on here. The fans can't see either.
The fans can't see
Who
anyone.
knows what's happening to Tamir underneath that umbrella?
I don't want to imagine. Probably nothing good.
Now that you can see from this angle, it looks like a blatant choke. That uses a stunner.
And now a jawbreaker.
Jawbreaker.
You know, not for nothing, but beautiful Buddy Thomas might not be able to talk after that.
Oh,
Oh, look at that kick.
oh, it's a devastating neck breaker.
You know the best thing about this match?
Is what?
Atillio Aprile, the hippo, is no longer in. He's gone. He's done. He's finished.
2 count.
I hope they brought
Tamir managed to get out of that one.
I hope they brought Atillio Aprile to the nursing home and cut off the life support. I hate him.
He's receiving medical attention is what I'm hearing now.
What surgery is he getting now?
Oh, he's getting medical attention in the back in the locker room.
They don't have enough attention to medically help him. Or mentally. Especially mentally. You ever talk to the guy?
You would know about that.
I talked to him. I've heard from him too many times. Look at that kick! Look at that.
Took his head off.
I think he did take his head off.
Oh,
Now what's he gonna do?
he's gonna give another one.
Oh, no! That looks painful.
Wow. Concussion City.
Concussion City is right.
He has to be dead.
I think he looks like
How
he's
did
broken in
you
half.
kick out of that?
On instinct? Stupidity? Just, buddy, win the match, go home. We already got rid of the hippo. See, he's listening to me right now. I'm telling him what to do. I'm telepathically telling him what to do, and he's listening. Even though I'm not as mad.
Oh, he misses the leg drop.
That I didn't tell him to do.
Where Tamir got the energy to get out of that. Oh. Tamir finding the reserved energy to get himself back into this match.
Oi! Oi, man, that does not look like fun.
Couple of clotheslines by Tamir. Oh, a hard drop kick with a kip up. Where'd that energy come from?
Fruit Loops? Maybe it's
Oh, he
Fruit
got
Loops.
caught there.
Again, he's doing this flippy crap. Buddy, you might want to turn around.
Oh,
Hey!
right in the bush.
That didn't look too timid to me.
Buddy right back with a shot.
Oi!
Oh, that looks stiff.
That looked,
Oh, bitch slap to the chest.
oh, you know those kind of, I'm not going to say it. You know that they like doing bitch slaps.
Who?
Those people.
What people? Oh,
You know, the hey people.
oh, your friends.
Not my friend. I'm not friends with any of them.
Are you looking to get kicked off here again?
I'm doing nothing. Listen, I have
Wait,
plenty.
look who's here.
He got out of the morgue?
Atillio Aprile.
I thought he was dead. I thought he was dead.
That's beautiful.
Disqualify him. Disqualify that schmuck.
Oh,
He's supposed to be dead. Look, he can't even friggin'
Atillio
walk.
Aprile, he's limping. He's still feeling pain in that knee.
He's always feeling pain. What else is new?
Oh, now Tamir starting to work on the other knee.
That's a lot of... I don't even know what to say. I don't know why he's here. I don't know why he's still alive. What the hell is he
He's
doing?
to stand after the knee injury.
He lifted to... I'm impressed. So wait. He's all banged up and he can do a choke slam that looks like crap?
Incredible. I'm speechless.
He's athletic. He talks about me not being athletic. Look at his fat double on ass.
He's still limping on that knee. Must be pure adrenaline that's got him going at this
Well,
point.
pure stupidity. You know he's pretty stupid. You ever have a conversation with him? Not very intelligent.
Oh, he's got Tamir up now.
He's got a bald spot too. You notice that?
Oh! What a drop that was.
Now, I hope
Buddy sneaks it under the rope. He's
Come on,
buddy Atillio.
Hit him from behind. Get him.
Oh, sends him right out of the ring. Look at this. Almost had him. Almost had him with a 2 count.
Almost.
He's not happy.
No, Buddy should not be happy. Buddy should have had to.
You can see he's not a happy man right now.
When Atillio got out of there, it was a singles match. This is supposed to be a singles match. Then the double law, the fat hippopotamus has to come back because he can't just go away. Never can we get rid of this guy.
Oh, Buddy's going all the way up Tamir. Putting a stop to it.
What is going to happen now? I'm very nervous.
Tamir wants to do a superplex.
There's nothing super about one of those.
Oh! It's like a double pin.
Who won? Did Buddy win? Buddy's got the belt. Buddy's the champion, right? He still has the title.
That was so close. Let's see what the referee's decision is.
I hope Vince Conti doesn't have a dumb decision to make. Well, that's a good decision.
Well, there you have it. Beautiful Buddy lives to fight another day.
And he can send me royalty checks, mind you.
He manages to pin Tamir Gibbs.
Not very hard to do. And Atillio, once again, is crying and singing the blues. That fat bum.
Well, fans, I'll tell you, that was some match there. Tamir came within a hair of being the viral champion.
That's more hair than Atillio's got on his head.
And there's your champion, beautiful Buddy Tomas.